Hi there, I'm Rewa from UnCalculated Studio. Just going to talk you through a little bit of the piece that we've just created. It has an interface which is actually a keytar, Yamaha keytar, classic synth, and this is actually mapped into Touch Designer. You can see behind me there's a bunch of scenes here that I've created in Touch Designer. Okay, so I've mapped these to the keyboard, and not only that, they're also these scenes are also mapped into our plant's bioelectrical signals, which have been sonified using MIDI, and we've attached VSTs, and we actually connect these plant signals into human-generated music, also made by Simon. So we're mixing together human-composed music, plant signals, and this visual kind of synthesizer network that I've created in Touch Designer, and yeah, that's the piece.